How to create node in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the color page by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you are there, you'll notice a single node already connected. This is your default corrector node. To add a new node, right-click in the node editor and choose Add Node. Then select the type you need. Add Serial Node or Add Serial creates a standard node for step-by-step grading. Both work the same. To apply corrections side by side, choose Add Parallel to split the image into separate parts with different effects. This is great for adjusting different parts of an image independently. Use Add Layer node to blend multiple corrections together, useful for creative effects and compositing. Add Outside creates a node that targets everything outside the previous marks, ideal for background adjustment after isolating a subject. Next, you can also use keyboard shortcuts for faster workflow. Press Alt+S to add a new serial node instantly and Shift+S for adding serial before. Use Alt+P for a parallel node, Alt+L for a layer node, and Alt+O for outside. These shortcuts help you speed up your color grading process without needing to go through the right-click menu every time. And don't forget about node connection. You can click and drag from the output of one node to the input of another to customize how the data flows between them. This is useful when building custom node trees for different effects or correction. And that's it. Now you know how to create nodes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.